If you want to delete Steam game saves, whether you're trying to free up space, fix a corrupted save, or start completely fresh, there are a few simple ways to do it. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest method first, then show you how to manually remove local save files, and finally, how to properly reset Steam Cloud so your old progress doesn't keep coming back. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming tips. Let's get into it. The easiest way to delete a Steam save is directly inside the game itself. A lot of modern games include a delete save option right in the load game menu, the save menu, or sometimes inside the game settings. This is always the best place to start because the game handles everything for you. That means it removes the save from your computer and in many cases also syncs that change with Steam Cloud automatically. So before you do anything manual, launch the game and check the menus carefully for anything that says delete save, new game, reset progress, or clear data. If the game gives you that option, go ahead and use it. Just make sure you understand that this usually wipes your progress for that save slot completely. Once it's gone, there may be no way to recover it unless you have a backup. So if there's anything important you want to keep, double check before confirming. Now, if your game does not have a delete button, don't worry. You can still remove the save manually from your PC. Most Steam game saves are stored in a few common locations, and the exact folder depends on the game. One of the most common places is the Steam Userdata folder. You can usually find that at c:\program files x86 /steam /userdata /your steam appide /remote. Inside that folder, you may find the save files or cloud synced data for the game. If you don't know the app ID, you can usually find it on the Steam Store page in the URL for that game. Another common location is the Documents folder. Open File Explorer, go to your user folder, then open Documents and look for a folder called My Games. A lot of games store save data there, especially older titles and many single-player games. Inside that folder, you'll often see subfolders named after the game or the publisher. That's where save files, config files, and profile data are commonly stored. A third place to check is the AppData folder. To open it quickly, press Windows key +R, type %appdata% and press Enter. From there, look inside the local or local low folders. Many modern game stores save data here, especially games that use launcher-based setups or hidden application folders. If you find the right folder, you can delete the save files manually, but again, be careful and make sure you're deleting the correct files. Now here's the part that trips a lot of people up, Steam Cloud. If Steam Cloud is turned on and you only delete the local files, Steam may just re-download your old save the next time you launch the game. So if your goal is to permanently wipe the progress, you need to reset both the local save and the cloud copy. Here's how to do that properly. First, right-click the game in your Steam library and choose Properties. In the General tab, look for the Steam Cloud option and toggle it off. This step is important because it stops Steam from syncing the old files while you're deleting them. Next, go back to the save folders we talked about and delete the local save files for that game. After that, launch the game once and create a brand new save. You only need to get far enough for the game to generate fresh save data. Then exit the game completely. Now go back into Steam, open the game's properties again, and turn Steam Cloud back on. When Steam detects a difference between the cloud save and the local save, it will ask which version you want to keep. At that point, choose local. That tells Steam to upload your new save and replace the old cloud copy permanently. This is the safest way to fully reset a Steam game save without having the old progress come back later. It's also a great fix if a save becomes corrupted because you can clear the broken files and start over cleanly. If you're managing multiple games, this method can save you a lot of time and frustration. So to recap, you can delete Steam game saves in 3 ways. Use the in-game delete option if the game has one, manually remove the save files from your PC, or fully reset Steam Cloud so your old save does not restore itself. Always make sure you know whether the game is syncing with the cloud before deleting anything important. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Steam and PC gaming tutorials. And if you want, check out the next video for even more helpful gaming tips.